Can either of you stay overtime? We're short staffed.
I can't today. No, thank you.
Whatever, it's the closing manager's problem now, not mine. Looks like y'all need some help. I can take whoever's next over here.
Thank you for helping.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, how you doing? So you're closing tonight?
Yep, today and tomorrow.
Well, good luck. We've been short-staffed all day, and we just got a couple more call-outs. Oh, hey, would either of y'all mind staying overtime to help out with the rush? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I can stay too. I appreciate it, guys. I thought y'all couldn't stay. To help you? No, but Martin's helping us out, so we can help him.